Pakistan were anticipating and waiting for. All eyes were on the Supreme Court. Tell us a bit more about the reactions coming forth.
Well, I think all the opposition parties, almost all of them, they have asked for Prime Minister to resign because there is a split judgment. There were 5 judges, 2 of them, the senior most judges, in fact, has asked the Election Commission of Pakistan to denotify him, which means to remove him as a member of the parliament, which means as Prime Minister. So I think it's a damning judgment. The court has also pointed out that all investigating agencies, in one way or the other, they are under the influence of the Prime Minister. Therefore, an independent investigation cannot be conducted. Therefore, 5-member benches have consensus that a new joint investigating team should be set up, which will work under the direct supervision of the Supreme Court, and it will probe within the next 60 days and will decide the final political fate of the Prime Minister. I think now Pakistan is in a situation where there appears to be some sort of a turmoil in the offing, because opposition parties are certainly going to launch campaign for his resignation. The fact that the 2 senior most judges have pointed out that he is not honest, he has lied to the nation. In the parliament, he said that he has got all the proof to prove the legitimate source of income with which his family built up properties, set up offshore business abroad. But in the court, they said they don't have the proof. They brought in between the Qatari prince, who said he gave an affidavit that the Prime Minister's father actually had invested in some Qatari companies, and the court simply has rejected all those documents. So I think it is probably a matter of time when the Prime Minister will have to go home. There's going to be tremendous pressure in coming days and weeks on Prime Minister to resign. Though the ruling parties are celebrating it that as if it is a victory, I think that is not the case. The 3 judges have simply said that there needs to be more investigation so that a conclusive evidence could be collected that on how far Prime Minister and his family, they are involved in laundering money, sending illegally money abroad and setting up a business empire over there.
Well, Javed, what are the chances that this joint investigative team is going to bring its verdict or its results of its investigations quickly enough? Because many are saying that Nawaz Sharif might try to ride the storm till the end of his tenure, until elections.
Well, certainly he is going to try to do that. But I think now in this joint investigation team, they are going to be officials from military-run intelligence agencies, ISI, and military intelligence. I think it is going to be very difficult for the Prime Minister, and he will have to respond to the answers, because his family members through petitions have already admitted that they own those properties, and they have already admitted that they don't have the proof for each transaction that they have made. I think it is going to be very difficult. It can simply cost Prime Minister next elections.
All right, that's Press News' JAVED RANA reporting from the Pakistani capital, Islamabad. Javed, thanks very much indeed for updating us on the situation. We'll get more updates from Javed as the situation develops. Now, the U.S. and South Korean troops have launched